Hello everyone, for today's math we'll be starting the shapes and angles unit. Make sure you have your pencil, eraser, and your ruler. First thing we'll do is write your name, number, and group. Once you are done with that, I made a mistake in the page. I have the wrong page in the beginning, so we're going to skip that one page. Go to the page that says Properties of Shapes. Okay. The direction says write the properties of each shape. Some shapes I'm pretty sure you've learned it in grade 1 or 2 and remember. Some might be new, so for the ones that are familiar to you, it'll be review, and for the new ones, it'll be learning new properties. Let's start with triangle. Triangles are shapes that are like this. And for this first box, it says number of sides. These are the sides. How many sides are there? There are 3. Next one, it says number of angles. Angle is this part. So here, here, and here. How many angles are there? There are 3. Triangle means 3, so it just means 3 angles. The shape has 3 angles. Next one, square, is very familiar to us. 2. While I'm drawing the pictures, you can draw them too. Okay. Square, how many sides does it have? 4. How many angles? There are 4. Rectangle looks like a square. A square, all the sides are the same length, whereas a rectangle, 2 sides are the same, and this 2 sides are the same, but these 2 are not the same length. How many sides? 4. How many angles? 4. Right, after this, it gets a little bit more difficult to draw, and it's okay if it's not a perfect shape. Let's see, like that. Pentagon is a shape that has 5 sides and 5 angles. Can you guess what the shape looks like? I'll draw, and you can start drawing too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hexagon, 6 sides, 6 angles. 1, 2. Make sure you use a ruler. If your shape is like this, I'm going to make you do it again. If you use your ruler and it's a funny shape like this, that's okay. These shapes are difficult to draw. Ugh. See, it's not a perfect hexagon. It's okay. These are okay because you're using a ruler. These are not okay. I'm not using a ruler. Okay, let's go on to hexagon, octagon. I'm guessing it right. 7 sides, 7 angles, 8 sides, 8 angles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Something like that is okay. Octagon, 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, for circle, you can't draw it with a ruler, so you can just get something that's a circle. Right, this will work. Alright, circles. Are there any sides? Sides have to be straight sides. There are no straight sides, so you will write 0. Are there any angles? No, no angles either. 0 and 0. Let's go on to the next page. This is just another practice for properties of the shapes. A pentagon has how many sides? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write has 5 sides. There are more than one, so make sure there's an S. Oops, sorry, you couldn't see. 5 sides. And how many angles? 5 angles. Next one, what shape is this? This is a triangle, so you would write a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. And how many angles? 3 angles. Number 3. I will leave some blank. Has blank sides and blank angles. I want you to do this on your own. And for the next one, I will now give you an example. You can do that on your own. A blank has blank sides and blank angles. You can stop the video here, make sure you finish this page, and then go on to the next page. Let's quickly check the answer. Is this a square or rectangle? It's a square because all 4 sides are the same length. Let's see. 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. They're all the same, so this is a square. Has how many sides? 4 sides. And how many angles? 4 angles. Number 4. What was the shape? This is a hexagon. Hexagon has, sorry, that doesn't have an N, 6 sides and 6, can I fit it in there? Angles. This page should be easy. We're going to go back to the first page we skipped. So, make sure you go backwards on to page 1. this page, it says, write the correct name of each shape. So you look at this shape and I want you to write the name. What is this? A triangle. What is this? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides. If you can't remember, it's okay to look at here for now, but make sure you remember. Has 7 sides. 7 sides. This is a heptagon. Number 3 and number 6, I made a mistake of putting shapes that we didn't learn. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. This is called a decagon. Number 6 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides, and this is called a nonagon. Sorry, we didn't learn that, and I had it in there, so you can just copy it right away. And then for the other ones, it's shapes that we already learned in here, so you can finish this page up. After finishing this page, go to the second video. I'll see you then. Bye.